Well, I have a picture in color of you, and it's there in my room to remind me of you. So it was with surprise that I saw you today, and I did not recognize you, girl. What more can I say? For the colors are gone, you become kind of gray, and you're not like the swan that I knew yesterday. Now the pictures are wrong, you've become kind of gray. I'll imagine the swan that you were yesterday. The sadness that I felt was hard on my eyes, and the truth on my face was hard